Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about low maintenance haircut ideas for women over 50. As we grow older, we want a haircut that are easy to manage and still look beautiful. Low maintenance haircuts save time and effort. They need less styling and less use of heat tools. These haircuts help you look neat and confident every day. Let's talk about some lovely low maintenance haircut ideas. First is the short bob haircut. A short bob is simple and stylish. It is easy to wash and dry. This haircut looks good on most face shapes. Next is the layered haircut. Layers add volume and movement to the hair. They are great for thin or fine hair. Layered cuts need very little styling. Another popular style is the pixie haircut. Pixie cuts are very easy to care for. They are short, light and comfortable. This style gives a fresh and modern look. Now let's talk about shoulder length haircut. This length is perfect for women who do not want very short hair. It is easy to manage and looks elegant. You can keep it straight or slightly wavy. The soft wave haircut is also a great choice. Natural waves need less styling. This haircut looks relaxed and graceful. It is perfect for daily life. Next is the haircut with side bangs. Side bangs frame the face nicely. They hide fine lines and add style. Bangs also need very little maintenance. For women with grey hair, a short grey haircut is very easy to manage. It looks neat and confident. Regular trimming keeps it fresh and clean. When choosing a low maintenance haircut, think about your daily routine. Choose a style that fits your lifestyle. Comfort and confidence are most important. Always use good shampoo and conditioner. Regular trims help keep haircut in shape. Healthy hair always looks better. Low maintenance haircuts are not boring. They are smart, stylish and practical. A good haircut can make feel happy and confident. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas, you can enjoy my videos. These designs are very popular, stylish and trendy. Every design is different, one another beautiful and attractive. Mind-blowing designs, mind-blowing ideas for women over 60. You can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories. You can see also. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.